alas, poor ghosty. I knew him, Selber.
Oh!
The ghost of Atomtown. Sounds pretty spooky, huh, Nitrogen?
Shh! Ugh, squeaky seat! Aluminium, is your seat squeaky too?
Shush!
What's that, Nitrogen?
Shush! Please, I'm trying to enjoy the theatre.
Something is rotten in the, town of Atom. Shocking.
Shush! I can't hear the performance. How do you get rid of hiccups? Shh.
Don't worry, Oxygen. I got this. The only way to stop hiccuping is to drink some water.
Well, that's easy.
Upside down.
Oh, that's less easy?
Now I can't see.
Sorry, Helium. Hanky?
Isn't scaring someone the best way to get rid of hiccups? Okay, Oxygen, I'm gonna scare you now. Ready? Boo!
I don't think it works if she knows she's about to be scared.
To be or... To be or... Hang on, what was the question again?
Look, there's only one surefire way to get rid of the hiccups.
What is it?
The hiccup dance. Allow me to demonstrate. Follow my lead. A slide, 2, 3, and a keep it jazzy, 2, 3.
It's sorta complicated.
No, it's not. Watch.
On guard. Unbelievable.
Still hiccuping? We may need to do the advanced hiccup dance.
There's an advanced hiccup dance. Whoa, whoa, ooh, ooh, J-I-H-G-F-E-D-C-D-A! I did it!
Did it cure your hiccups?
Out! Loud oxygen! Out, I say! Exit! Followed by your pals. About time, too. Now, can we please return to the play? Right. Who goes there? The Phantom of our Atom Town is here.
Ooh.
My hiccups. They're gone? The scare scared my hiccups!
Well, bravo for that. Right. Places, people.
Sorry, Helium.
Oh, why, thank you, Oxygen. Ah, the theatre.
Oxygen!
Helium!
Atomic seesaw!
What a perfect place to celebrate your birthday, lad! Happy birthday!
Aw, thanks, Oxygen.
Happy birthday, lad!
Would you like a balloon? I firmly believe that everyone should have a balloon. Thanks, Helium. I love balloons.
Is that your favorite music? Led. Oh, you want to play on the seesaw? Why didn't you say? Let's do it!
I'd love to, Oxygen, but...
Huh? Oh, careful with the precious balloons!
This isn't really working, is it? This always happens. I'm just too heavy for the seesaw.
Hey, that's not true. You're a heavy metal. We just need more atoms to balance things up.
You cold?
Yeah, we're a little stuck here. Can you guys help us with the seesaw?
Seesaw! Will you be careful with the precious balloons?
Seesaw! It's a little tight, but we can make this work. It's not working.
We need more atoms! Sulfurs, phosphorus, we need your help!
Incoming!
I hope this works.
Come on, we can do it!
Okay, this is getting silly now.
Oh, it's working!
It's working!
Wow!
Oh, it's not working.
We need more atoms!
More! Really?
What about Helium?
Where'd she go?
Oh, come back! Come back!
Oh.
Come back! My precious balloons! Help! We need to save Helium.
I know what to do.
We'll save you, Helium! Gotcha! Oh, thank you! You saved me! And my precious balloons! Happy birthday, Led. Here, hold these. They may give you that lighter touch you're looking for.
Cool. And I'll make sure you don't float off with us again, Helium.
Best birthday ever!
Carbon!
Oxygen!
Sulfur!
Atomic joystick!
Go!
Cool! Carbon, sulfur. I love playing video games with you guys! Woo!
Oxygen, you need to move. You're gonna get caught.
Oh no! Oh, I can't! This joystick isn't working! No, move! Oh!
Thanks, Oxygen.
I don't mind sitting out the next game if you two want to play.
No way. It's all or nothing.
So what are we gonna do then?
I know. I'll build a new joystick.
Huh? Build a new joystick?
You look there. You there. I mean, how hard can it be to build a joystick? Aha! Don't forget the batteries.
working. Silly joystick.
I guess I'll just do what I always do when something breaks. Order a new one.
Huh?
Hello?
Hi, can I get one of those super deluxe Megastick 9000, please?
Oh, somewhere here. You're in luck. Last one left.
Cool! Can I have it delivered immediately, please? Like, right now?
Wow, that was quick.
This is gonna be awesome!
Oh, another box. And another box, and another box, and another box, and another box. Wow! This box just keeps on giving.
Why so much packaging?
Huh. I thought it'd be bigger.
Shh! Well, let's try it and see how it plays.
Uh-oh. No batteries.
Super teeny tiny joystick? There's nothing mega about you!
Whoa! Easy, Sulfur. You don't want to make the situation worse now.
Ha! I knew it would work.
Everyone okay?
Uh-huh. I think we all need some fresh air.
But what about the game?
Maybe we can do both.
That's Sonic!
I love playing video games with you, Carbon and Sulfur.
Sulfur!
Phosphorus.
Arsenic!
Atomic fishing.
Phosphorus. Quantum Lake. It's so calm, so refreshing.
And so perfect for a day's fishing. I think I packed everything. Okay, final check. Sun hat, life jacket, fishing rod, oh, and of course, snacks and refreshments.
Don't forget the camera.
We're fishing, Sulfur. Why would you need a camera?
If you don't snap it, it didn't happen. Selfie!
Hey, yeah!
Perfect.
My lovely paint job! Oh, no!
Come on, Sulfur, hurry up!
I'll show you two. You do not mess with arsenic.
Huh? Whoa! That was fast.
Reel him in, Phosphorus! Huh? Selfie!
Me next, me next! Boing, boing!
They weren't supposed to enjoy it.
I can't wait to see what crazy stuff we catch next.
Selfie!
I can't believe they're still enjoying this.
Maybe we'll actually catch an actual fishy this time.
A really big fishy! Is that arsenic? What's he doing?
I think he's taking us for a ride.
Let's see how you handle this catch.
Hang on to your hand, Phosphorus!
Oh, it wasn't supposed to be fun. Atom overboard!
There goes our chance of landing a big fishy today.
My poor boat.
Hey, is that a fishy?
It sure smells fishy.
Stop it! That tickles!
We got our fishy!
Oh well, if you can't beat them, join them!
Oxygen!
Carbon!
Nitrogen!
Atomic chocolate!
This is a great party, Oxygen.
I can't believe we got invited.
Oh yeah, this party is way too good for it.
Another incredible party thrown by me, the hostess with by far the mostest. Silver?
I don't know, Gold. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but is it gold standard? I just feel like something's missing.
I've got a big dessert treat planned that'll, knock your socks off.
Perfect. I'll just tell everyone to expect something incredible.
Copper's the old sweet shop. If it gives you a cavity, we've got it.
Copper? Gold. Need something yummy and spectacular, and I need it fast. Like a life-size statue of me, made entirely out of chocolate.
I suppose I could.
Okay, phew. But I'll need someone to pick it up. I can't leave my own party. Yoo-hoo! Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen.
It's atomic, Copper. Gold is going to love it.
Well, don't dilly-dally, whippersnaps. Chocolate melts, you know.
Adams.
We gotta stay in the shade. Come on.
Wait for it. Go!
Cloud, get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Over here. Who's driving this crazy cloud?
No sign of the big showstopper, eh, Gold? I do hope it arrives, old chum.
So the sun isn't great for chocolate. How about the rain?
Nice job, Nitrogen.
Where did it go?
Oh, runaway statue. Come back here.
Hey, watch it!
Garbage can!
Please don't leave yet. The big dessert treat will be here. Stay, please.
Is that your big surprise desserts?
My statue! My beautiful, delicious statue! It's ruined!
Brava! Brava! Another gold standard triumph. We all expected something sparkly and perfect. Trust gold to surprise us all. You truly are the hostess with the mostest.
Thank you, Silver. And of course, chocolate fondue is so in right now. Everybody dig in! Thank you, Silver.
Anytime, buddy.
You three, thank you for delivering my statue. It's a triumph. Now, who's ready to party?
Hydrogen,
Iron!
Oxygen!
Carbon!
calcium, atomic stardust.
Perfect! We're all set for tonight's meteor shower. Oh, here comes Scout Ranger Iron.
So, what's everyone gonna wish for when we see our shooting stars?
I'm gonna wish for the clouds to stay away so we can see everything.
I'm gonna wish that my feet stay nice and toasty all night. I've worn extra socks just in case.
I just wish that we can all stay awake long enough to see them.
And what about you, Hydrogen? What are you gonna wish for?
I don't know. I've never seen a shooting star.
Don't worry, Hydrogen. We've seen tons before.
Yeah, stick with us. We know what we're doing.
It's gonna be a long night. Get cozy, everyone.
Ah, it's so peaceful.
Yeah. I kind of want to see one now. Don't you? There's got to be an app that can tell us when the next meteor is.
Ooh! Wow! Shooting star! Shooting star!
Nope. Don't see anything.
Aw, don't worry, Hydrogen. We'll let you know when there's a shooting star.
My feet are warm. Are anybody else's feet warm?
Maybe too many socks?
You're right. 5 pairs is too many.
Let us help you.
Shooting star! Shooting star!
Oh, Hydrogen, I know you want to see your first shooting star, but you can't just make it up, okay?
Hey! Why don't we use the telescope to get a better view? Maybe then we'll see a shooting star.
Is that the...
Hang on, is that...
I think...
Whoa! It's amazing!
Is that the...
I think that might be...
No, wait. Maybe we need to be more patient. Sit back, drink some hot chocolate.
All this stargazing is making me sleepy.
Oh.
Maybe it's not to be this year.
Really?
Don't worry, Hydrogen. You'll see a shooting star another time. Unbelievable! Typical.
See any shooting stars yet?
I've seen loads, Scout Ranger Iron, but no one believed me.
Well, you know what you saw. That's what's important. And you know what else? I believe you. Did you know that all those twinkly lights are made of the same stuff as you and me?
Really?
Everything's made of space stuff. You, me, meteors, telescopes, socks. We are all stardust.
Whoa! Atomic! I'd love if my friends could see this with me.
Why don't you make a wish?
Did we miss anything? Whoa! Did you see that?
Awesome!
Whoa! Anyone else's feet getting cold again?
Carbon!
Oxygen!
Iodine!
Atomic teddies!
Oops, thank you.
Oh, I love a good picnic, Carbon.
Me too, Oxygen. But we could have a few more guests, don't you think?
You're right. This picnic needs some teddies. My teddies!
I'll get them. I'll see how quickly I can do it. Gah! Broken again. I guess I'll have to take the stairs.
Hey, wait. It's not broken. I'm just cleaning it.
Oh. Oh, that is too cute. Huh, I see. Don't worry, teddies. I'll come back for the rest of you. This'll take all day. There's gotta be another way.
Take this, maybe?
Oh, you mean the bucket? I know. I'll build a teddy elevator. A teddy-vator. Perfect. They'll have those teddies down in no time. So many stairs. Ready for a spin, little guys?
Hey, Irene. Want to come to our picnic? Oh, I forgot the napkins.
Ooh, sounds great. Here, let me help you.
All set, teddies? Hang on a minute. Are all those teddies heavier than me? Atomic!
Hey, my bucket.
This is not how it was supposed to go. Really?
Carbon! Any sign of the teddies? We're almost ready!
Coming, Oxygen! Really not my day.
Nice bucket.
And you brought all my teddies. Carbon, I'm so sorry. We're missing one thing, aren't we?
What? so cute.
I love a good picnic.
Nitrogen!
Phosphorus.
Sulfur. Atomic pumpkin.
Oh, Derek, I think you need some fresh air. How about a song from your best buddy, Nitrogen? It's a beautiful day for growing a pumpkin. Ooh, yeah! Aha! I bet you're hungry, Derek. Would you like some plant food? Ha! Super Nom Nom plant food. Use only teeny tiny amounts as directed. Uh-huh.
Hey, Nitrogen. Trick or treat.
Oh, sulfur, phosphorus, it's you. Sorry, guys. I don't have time for trick-or-treating today.
Huh?
Okay, doesn't have time for trick or treat?
We'll see about that.
Now, Derek, you'll be back to your old self in no time. Oh, no.
Whoops.
This is bad. This is really bad. You're only supposed to use a teeny tiny amount.
Yeah, what's the worst that could happen?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
It'll be fine. I promise.
Did it work?
Don't panic. As long as we keep it inside my room, everything should be okay.
Uh-oh. We'd better go warn the others.
There are baby Dereks everywhere.
Ooh. Oxygen! Who could that be?
Carbon, there are hundreds of baby Dereks on the loose.
Guys, I'm trying to watch TV.
Sulfur, look! Your glow stick must have reacted with my plant food.
Cool. Nitrogen and sulfur made the plant glow. Huh?
Ah, look at all those little baby Dereks. Just growing and glowing. Great job, Nitrogen. Nitrogen?
Trick or treat! Oh, oh.
That goes there. Ooh, I like that. Hydrogen, oxygen,
Titanium!
atomic snowman. There and that. Oh, perfect. Oh, amazing. And 2 stones for the eyes. This is gonna be the best snowman ever, Hydrogen. Snowman. try.
Oops.
Uh-oh. We better catch it, Hydrogen.
Ah, phew!
Coming through, Titanium.
Ah! Get back here!
Watch out!
Snowball!
Oh! We have to stop it, Hydrogen.
Okay.
There we are! Ha ha! Ha ha!
Snowball!
Sorry, Titanium.
What? Not again!
Run away!
There we are! Ha ha ha! Phew!
Hydrogen, this snowball is kinda snowballing.
There we are! Oh, oh.
We go again! Oh no, not another one.
Own it, Snowball!
I'm getting the hang of this!
Oh no, hang on to your hat, Hydrogen!
Oh, hey! My cone! Oh!
Best snowman ever!
Platinum!
Arsenic! Lead!
Titanium! Atomic metal!
Lead, platinum, arsenic, titanium. It's your big gig tonight, guys. What are you gonna play?
Heavy metal!
Then wow me.
Oh! Ha
1, 2, 3, 4!
What is that noise?
It's missing an edge. Have you thought about trying Something completely different? A new sound?
No way! We are heavy metal! Right, guys?
I have an idea.
I have a better idea. We've got to give him a show. Sing about having fun and being bad.
I thought being bad was the problem.
Bad in a good way.
Let's hear it.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Keep it down! Down there!
I'm not gold or silver. I'm platinum. I'm not good. I'm precious. I like ever found. Yeah.
I've heard enough.
About time! Thank you.
I don't like it.
I don't think we're supposed to sing about being bad.
I've been saying that!
I think we're supposed to sing about being sad.
Bring the emotion.
I'm feeling big feelings.
Exactly. Arsenic, let's do this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I feel heavy, so heavy. Right, that's it! Huh?
It's pretty gloomy.
Thank you!
Too gloomy.
That's sad.
I have a wonderful idea. I know exactly what you would like.
I do like it.
This isn't us! How many times do I have to say it? We're heavy metal!
The right sound will be our sound. Count us in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We can be whatever you want us to be.
Stop right there. That was amazing. But that's my sound. Something is still missing.
We are literally heavy metal.
But you heard Neon. We need to find our new sound.
Helium! Cat talk. I've got a gig to save.
Helium, are you okay? Will you be quiet?
Whoa! That was amazing!
Thank you. But it's nothing really.
Neon! We found our new sound!
Let's hear what you got.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Orbit!
Sulfur!
Phosphorus.
Nitrogen! Atomic scarecrow! Don't you just love the countryside, Phosphorus? Fresh air, peace and quiet.
You betcha, Sulfur. It doesn't get more relaxing than this. I'm not sure that was a monster.
Yeah, look. It's made of hay.
What did you do to my scarecrow?
Sorry, Nitrogen. We didn't realize.
We thought it was an atom-eating monster.
This'll take all morning to fix. Who's going to protect my prized strawberry patch while I repair it?
We'll be your scarecrow. Right, Phosphorus?
Yeah, it's the least we can do.
All right. If you two can keep my patch safe until I get back, you can have all the strawberries you like.
Those crows don't stand a chance.
Look alive, Phosphorus. It's scarecrow time!
Let's suit up, Sulfur.
your leg. There. My arm. Ahem.
Hey! Beak off the berry, buddy!
Okay, that's it. Shoot!
Hey! Where'd he go?
Huh? What?
This crow doesn't scare easy, huh?
We need to be smarter.
Oh.
So, what's the plan again?
Yeah. So the crow flies down and sees this delicious-looking strawberry and thinks, ooh, the coast is clear.
Nothing around but those two ordinary shrubs.
Right. So he hops over and is just about to take a bite when...
I jump out and say something clever like, "No way, Crozet!"
No! I jump out and say something like, very nice to meet you.
I think "No way, Crozet" is better.
My plan, I choose the quip.
No way, Crozet!
Very nice to meet you.
No way, Crozet!
Very nice to meet you.
No way, Hey! Where'd the strawberry go?
Huh? Yeah. This crow is too brave and too smart for us. We need to get these berries to a safe place.
But where?
Huh? Nitrogen shed.
It's quiet, Sulfur. Too quiet.
Don't worry, Phosphorus. We're almost there.
Look! It's him!
Tommy! Here he comes!
It's every animal for themselves!
Ah, all done.
Phew. Just in time, Nitrogen. Huh? Where's Phosphorus?
My strawberries! You were supposed to protect them. Instead, you turned them into the most delicious strawberry smoothie I've ever had.
Yeah.
This is delicious.
You were a worthy foe, Mr. Crow. Smoothie?
Oxygen!
Helium! Carbon! Atomic elevator! Ooh, good shopping trip. I think I deserve a treat. One needs to, pee-pee. Come on.
Hello, Helium. Going down?
Well, Titanium, actually, I'm... Titanium, please!
Huh? Is everything okay?
Well, you see, the thing is, I need to... Yes! Everything is just delightful. Please continue.
Great party in Carbon Space later. You going?
Yes! I'll try and drop by.
Ta-ta!
Come on! Hello, Helium. No fountain for my apartment. What do you think? Toodles! See you at Carbon's party later. Yes, Gold. I'll be there. I mean, be there. I'll be there. Okay.
Yeah! Party! 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 Party!
Oh, hi, Helium.
You coming to Carbon's party too?
Oh, Helium, I can't wait!
I just love parties. I can let go, be totally free, and, dance around with no constraints. Really let it all flow. Doesn't that sound great, Helium? Oh,
Dearie me! I'm not sure I can take any more of this.
huh?
Party! Hydrogen, nitrogen, helium, you made it! Oh, oxygen, can you do me a favor? My balloons have just been delivered in the lobby. Would you go down and get them, please?
No problem, Carbon. Happy to help. You don't mind, do you, Helium?
Well, actually, I really need to.
Lobby, lobby, balloons, helping!
Think dry thoughts, Helium. Think dry thoughts. Deserts, crackers.
Ah, here we are. Ooh, don't they look nice?
Hold that door! Room for one more? Oxygen! Helium! You going to the party?
You know it, lad. Woo! Party! Party!
Party! Party! Party!
What's happening? Are we stuck?
Oops! I might be too heavy. We're over the atomic weight allowed.
Don't worry, I'll call for help. Hello? Maintenance. We're stuck.
Your fault has been noted and will be rectified in 7 hours.
7 hours? Ah! I can't do this! I can't do it! Ah! I need to pee! I need to pee!
You do? Why didn't you say, Helium?
Because it's impolite! Oh, what'll I do? What'll I do? I need to go home!
Aha! Grab hold, Helium! The PP Express is leaving right now! Hang on, Helium! Almost there!
Whoa! See you later, guys!
I'm home! Oh, I don't know how I'll ever thank you. Oh, here! You deserve a treat.
Ooh, thank you, Helium. Don't mind if I do.
Comic.
Uh-oh.
Let me in! I need to pee!
Carbon!
Titanium! Atomic pickle! Nothing like a titanium strength juice! Oh, I do love being so strong! Juicy! Ahoy hoy! Titanium here, talk to me.
Titanium, it's Carbon. I need your help opening a pickle jar.
I'll be right there. Sorry, Carbon. Don't know my own strength.
Here's the jar. I just can't seem to get the lid off.
Give it here. It's all in the wrist, see?
Told you it was stuck. Huh. If we could remove some of the pressure in the jar by making a tiny little hole in the lid, then maybe...
Did you say tiny little hole? Way ahead of you.
Ooh, titanium drill bit.
Do not try this at home. Gently does it.
Wow, for such a strong atom, you've got a really soft touch.
What's that?
That's not the lid.
Oh dear.
Maybe we could fix it with a bigger drill.
Excuse me, I'm trying to defragment my crypto quark simulator. My apologies, Silicon. I don't know my own strength.
You know what? I think we need a bigger drill.
I was hoping you might say that. Hop on!
Now, gently move towards the jar. Softly does it now.
Oh, there's no stopping it. Sorry, nitrogen! I don't know my own strength! Sorry, Florine!
Sorry, Helium! We think we need a bigger drill! Oh, if we make the lid really hot, then really cold, maybe the freeze-thaw action will...
Way ahead of you, Carbon!
Too hot! Too hot!
Prepare to surface!
Maybe you'll have better luck with this.
Uh-oh.
Maybe let's not use the drill next time.
Agreed. See? I told you it was all in the wrist.